Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how you can pack your calendar full of life insurance appointments. And I'm talking about 8 to 10 pre-booked life insurance appointments per day. I'm going to be breaking down the exact funnel, the exact lead source, and everything so that you can see how you can pack your calendar full of appointments and not have to chase leads all day long. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and dive in. Alrighty, now as you can see right here, I'm gonna have my editor blur all these names out just for client privacy, but this is a calendar of an agent that we are working with. And as you can see right here, each one of these little blue slots or blue lines or whatever you want to call it, these are all pre-booked appointments. So on Monday the 10th of March, he had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pre-booked appointments, right? On Tuesday, he had about 3, Wednesday, he had about 3, Thursday, he has 2, and tomorrow he has 4. So these are all pre-booked appointments coming directly from Facebook ads, booking onto his calendar. Now, full transparency, for final expense, your show rate is going to be around 30 to 40% for these pre-booked appointments. So it's not like every single person is showing, but what this allows you to do is buy some of your time back. So that instead of just banging the phones all day long, you have people that you know are already interested, and you can focus on following up with the people that either they show to the appointment, or if they don't show to the appointment, you know that that person is a high intent lead that you can go after and follow up with. All right, now this particular agent, we run Facebook ads for him, and currently he's spending about $50 a day. His average lead cost is about $4.86, and he's gotten 55 leads. And just looking right here this week, this is 20 pre-booked appointments. So out of that 55 leads, 20 of them booked an appointment on his calendar. Now, again, in full transparency, it's not like every single funnel, every single agent gets that. This is a really, really solid result that this guy's seeing. Almost 50% of his leads are pre-booking with him, and his lead cost is under $5. It's not like every single person sees that, but I just wanted to show you guys what's possible before I kind of walk into the technicalities of how this actually works. Alrighty, so let's break this down here on the whiteboard. I'm going to kind of walk you guys through how the funnel is structured and ultimately what we do. So the first step of this, we particularly like to use Facebook ads. And the reason why, there's like 1 billion monthly active users on Facebook. There's no shortage of people. And with Facebook's AI, you can very easily target the people that are going to be the highest intent buyers for your product. Now, this works for term life insurance, this works for IUL, this works for final expense, this works for pretty much any life insurance line, and those are the 3 that our company in particular focuses on. So what we always do, you can find 1 million people online that will run ads for you, but what we do differently, and the reason that we're able to get high quality appointments that, in a lot of cases actually show up, is because of the way that we market, right? So when it comes to getting leads or getting appointments, you want to make sure, obviously the first step is to have an ad, right? So the ad is the first step. We run an ad on Facebook. We say Facebook ad. But what's very important is the way that you create this ad and the way that the ad, the language of the ad is set up, okay? So what I've found works really, really well is there's a couple different ways that people kind of go about running ads on Facebook, right? The best way to do this is to target people that are qualified and high intent. So what does that actually mean, right? I'm just going to put a Q and then HI. Okay, and I'm drawing this with my mouse, so that's why it looks terrible. So QHI, okay? So what is qualified lead? Well, qualified essentially means that they are able to purchase your product they're financially able and they are health-wise able, right? So it's a financial and health, okay? That ultimately, when it comes to life insurance, those are the qualifications. They have to be able to afford it and they have to be able to qualify for it. So I'm not going to want to run an ad saying, hey, if you have cancer, I'm going to get you life insurance, right? If you currently have cancer, I'll get you life insurance. You're going to end up with a lot of guaranteed issue business. But you also don't want to target people that can't afford it, right? So you don't want to say like, this is free, which is what a lot of these ads, particularly for final expense, do. For IULs, a lot of times I've seen people, they'll run ads where it's like, to create a guaranteed $8,000 a month income. That's an ad that a very popular lead vendor actually runs. I've seen their ads. And what that does is it attracts people that aren't actually in the market for your product and they don't really even know what it's about, right? And so people don't realize what you say in your ad has such a massive impact on the type of leads that you get and the type of business that you have, right? So I cannot stress this enough. Make sure that whenever you're running ads, you find a niche, right? If you guys see, I have a little sign in the background that says the niche method. This is a big thing that we talk about, is finding niches of high intent, financially qualified people, right? And healthy people. This is very important. So it's all about in the way that you frame your ad. So perfect example, people that are healthy enough to qualify for life insurance, but also are going to be high intent, would be like people with diabetes, right? Healthy enough because the life insurance carriers will cover you if you have diabetes. But if someone has diabetes, they've gotten a diagnosis of a serious illness, and they're going to be more high intent, right? That's particularly for final expense. And then financial, like a big part about getting people that are financially qualified is just not running ads or buying leads from lead vendors that run ads that say like, this is free, or, you know, state approved $35,000 fund, or if you're doing IUL, saying something like, you know, this new trick from the Rockefellers lets you put in $50 and become a millionaire tomorrow, which is like, that's what a lot of these ads say, which is why you get crappy leads, right? So that's qualified. High intent. Now, this is a little bit more difficult to do, and you have to be a very skilled marketer in order to do this. But what it comes down to is talking to people that are closer to the bottom of the buying cycle. So essentially, in any given market, right, I'm getting kind of in the weeds with marketing, but I think this is valuable stuff for you guys to know. Because whether you work with us, generate your own leads, or buy leads from a vendor, you wanna come to that person and say, hey, like, how are you getting my leads? Because if they're doing this wrong, like your whole business is going to be shot to some extent, right? You want to target people that are closer to the bottom of the buying cycle, meaning they already understand the product, right? So I'll give you an example. If I'm going to sell an IUL, do you think it's going to be easier to sell an IUL to somebody that already knows what IULs are, right? And sees the benefits and is just looking for the right one? Or do you think it's going to be easier for me to sell an IUL to somebody that isn't saving anything for retirement? So I'm going to have to convince them to save money for retirement, convince them that an IUL is the best way to do that, and convince them that it's legal, and convince them like all of these different things, right? It's just, instead of taking them from like here, let's say this is where the sale is, right? And this is like a line of where people are at mentally. Instead of taking people from here to here, I would rather take people from here to here, because it's going to take a lot less time and energy from me as a salesperson, right? So that's kind of the whole philosophy and concept of generating high intent leads. And the way we do that is we run ads. And again, we target people that are in this niche that are already market and product aware, right? So we're targeting people that are already aware of the product, already want it. They're just looking for the best option. And that allows us to get much higher quality leads than anybody else out there in the market that's doing this kind of stuff. So that's the ad, right? Now, the next thing, if you are optimizing for pre-booked appointments, this is something I've kind of tested and discovered recently, is the best way to do this is sending people to a landing page, right? You're going to pay more per lead in general if you do a landing page. But that lead is then, you're generally going to get a little bit higher quality leads on the landing page. And the downside of landing page is it's a little bit more expensive, and it can take longer for Facebook to optimize versus like, if you guys don't know anything about lead gen, a landing page is basically a separate website. An instant form is a form on Facebook. Most people do instant forms. Some people do landing pages. There's pros and cons to each, but if you're trying to get pre-booked appointments, I have now found that a landing page is better for that. So you go send them to a landing page. This landing page asks them some qualifying questions. If they're not qualified, they're not able to continue. So we're optimizing for qualified leads. Then directly after that landing page, we just send them to a calendar. So they go to a landing page, they fill out some questions, we get their info, and then we send them directly to a calendar. Now, the key is with this calendar, and when you're trying to get pre-booked appointments, is you have to give them a good reason to book, all right? There has to be a reason to book. I don't know where I'm going with this particular symbol, but we're just going to say reason. There has to be a reason, all right? If you just have them fill something out and then just say, here's my calendar, like book with me, you might get people that book, but there's no way they're going to show. There has to be a solid reason for people to book and show up. So if you're doing final expense, you can say something like book an appointment or call in right now. We've also tested call-ins with final expense, which are killer. People just literally call your phone number. You don't even have to call them. The reason has to be like call now to get a free quote or call now to see if you qualify. Like there has to be a solid reason. And we split test these different things. We split test the reasons to get people to book and call for you, right? So if you work with our team, we're going to do all this for you. And then on the calendar, you got to have the reason, and then you also want to make sure you have availability, right? I'll see some people and they'll set their calendar for like they have like 2 time slots available. And they're like, oh, no one's booking with me. It's like, yeah, I know how to spell availability. Don't worry. They'll have like 2 time slots available, and they're wondering why people don't book with them. Well, there's no times that people actually want to book. And the other thing is you want your availability to be set like 48 hours out. Beyond that, you're going to get no-shows. So 48 hours out. And ladies and gents, this right here, as you can see, this is the structure of how we generate pre-booked appointments. Now, if you want to see specifics in terms of what our ads actually look like, I put together an entire PDF report that you can click down below to access. So there's going to be a link in the description that says apply to work with us. If you go in, put in your info, there's a whole video and a PDF that'll be texted to you that actually shows what our ads look like, which is how we generate high intent qualified leads. So if you want to see what that is and potentially work with us and have our team do all of this for you, click the link down below. And if you want to see a full in-depth breakdown of how we set up Facebook ads, you're going to want to watch this video right here, which we just recently published. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.